Welcome back everyone to yet another video. In this video we will see the Adobe's generative fill feature that is also available on Adobe Firefly Beta. So in this generative fill you can remove objects, or you can add new objects, or you can replace objects as well. So if I click on generate over here, you can add your own images by uploading it over here, or you can use if you want to just try, use any of the images over here. So for this purpose I'm going to go with this one. I click on that. So here you can see there is a tower. Okay, so I'm going to go click on subtract or maybe add, and then I'm going to go and paint this tower over here. And let's say I want to remove this tower and I want to add a moon, or I want to add a car, I want to add a mansion. So let's add a mansion. Add a mansion in the photo. So I want to add a mansion. So I think spellings are a bit wrong. So I want to add a mansion in the photo. Just click on generate, and Adobe's generative fill will try to generate a few images that can be replaced over here. So we need to wait a couple of seconds until it is done. So here you can see it has added a mansion over here. So if I go over to the other images, second image, third, and the fourth. So because so here you can see, I think it also added a few birds in this one, a moon in this one, etc, etc. I think I like this one. So anyone that you like, you can always go and you can keep it. Okay, so here we are, and then we can just go over onto the right side and click on download to download that exact same image. So it is really simple process. So if I go back, you can use any of the other images, you can use your own images, you can add your own image and maybe try to change the color of the shirt, etc, etc. So it's really simple to use. So the only thing that you need to do is you need to paint over the object. So let's try this one. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna paint on this fish, and then I will go here and let's say there is a boat sinking in the ocean. So we have a boat sinking in the ocean. So let's click on generate, and instead of fish we want a boat over here. Let's see what generative fill creates for us. So here you can see we have a boat. In this image we also have a boat, this one and this one. I think all of these are not that great except this one. I think I like this one, so we'll just go and keep this. So you can do this with these images, or you can always go and upload your own images and just click on download and the images will be downloaded. Make sure these images are not for sale, so you cannot sell these images. Unfortunately, Adobe does not allow you to sell these images. Make sure to keep that in mind. You can then go and you can upload any image, such as the image that we used before, and you can always go and let's say this bottle. Instead of this bottle I want maybe beverage. So I want a beverage over here instead of this water bottle. Just click on generate and it will generate that beverage over here. So wait a couple of seconds. So now you can see here we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 images. So this one the beverage is tilted. This one right here is good, of course. This one is good, but I really like this one, although it's not standing upright, but it's looking really awesome. I just click on keep and keep it. It's looking great. I'm going to click on download to download this image. Really simple to use. Make sure to try to remove objects and also try to replace objects with other objects, etc, etc. You can also go and change the background as well. So if I click on this background, all you need to do is click on this background option and change it to anything you like a forest, and click on generate and it will generate a forest behind your object. It's really simple. So it has generated a forest behind our portal. So here you can see, and any image you like, I like this one, just click on keep and keep this image and press on download to download the exact same image. It's really simple to use. Make sure to try this feature on your own. Let's meet in the next video.